typical bird activities. Bro, yo, he got something. Yo, let's go, chat. Eat it. Bird said, yo, I ain't hunting today, cause I already got something. Oh, you trying to watch me eat? How are you good? What you doing back there? So we're gonna see him through the pole by doing this. No, I can't. Where'd he go? Is he like still back there? Tell me. He's still back there? Oh, you can't see. Oh, he's right there. He's gonna go try to fish. Dad? What? Do it. Jack. That's the bird. That's the guy. That's the guy right there. Here. That's the guy right there. Ketchup. Chips. My bird's still hunting. Oh, look at that one. Look at that. Yawn bird. I call that a yawning bird. It's a yawning bird. We call it a yawning bird 4K. But it's not yawning. It's a bad thing. Oh, we needed to see it yawn. Bird's leaning. Oh, why are you leaning? Why are you leaning? ASMR.
I don't remember.
Oh. It's a yawning bird. We caught 2 birds 4K. A diving bird and a yawning bird. The yawning bird is blurry. Whoever owns that is rich. But it's a yacht. Guys, there's a yacht. If you like, I'll probably get you a yacht. The bird will never catch another fish in his life. That was his last fish. The yawning bird. Back to the diving bird. Yes. Ketchup. Delicious. It was the diving bird. Hey, yo, bro, it's another yawning bird. No, that's the diving bird. Yawning bird! It yawned. Yawning bird yawned. It's a good thing. Yawning birds have to yawn all the time. Because they're literally called yawning birds.
okay? I think so.
Bird. More yacht. Diving bird. Dude, it's a yawning bird. Another yawning bird.
Hey, you want dessert?
Please?
What do y'all have?